what's up guys? It's Friday morning about 9:40 or so. Just picked up some breakfast and I'm heading to the Junkyard on the south side of town. It's a self-serve, you know, pick and pull, you pull and pay, whatever you want to call it, Junkyard. And I'll be meeting up with Jesse from JesseDrifts, and we will be pulling a 2J out of an SC300 that he's planning on using in one of his spare S13 shells. So that's the job for today. Get that engine pulled, get it loaded up, and we will show you the ride. And also I need the flex plate and the flex plate spacer off that guy for my CD009 setup. Here we are. This is where the magic happens. So I'm looking for the SC300 right now. Always like just wandering the junkyard though. See all sorts of different cars. Oh shit, is that him? Oh, I see him, I see him.
Are the mounts still connected?
So we've been working on it for a bit. I got the engine mounts unbolted on the bottom. Got the shift linkage on the transmission. Just got to take off the cross member bolts for the transmission. Got the heater lines off. Throttle's off. Power steering, high pressure and return. Yeah, we're about getting ready to get the hoist on it and just pull it and disconnect what's stuck as we go. So I'm gonna snag this seat belt. The A-frame hoist just has like one hook. So you gotta cut a seat belt and then use that to do your mounting points, and then get it with the A-frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off right now.
I'm also, I'm mainly a graphic designer.
Yeah, I just use Vegas and Photoshop.
Yeah, Photoshop, CS, just all the Adobe stuff is what I use. Yeah. Joe's taking off this cross member here.
Watch it fall and crush me.
Can't really see, but no, I won't crush you.
Ooh, she wants to move.
Need to get a better impact. Nice.
Rest in peace mount.
Good?
Yeah, we're good. Just gotta slide it forward. The drive shaft to slip out and. got Jesse here taking off the last bolts. Transmission's gonna come off.
There's 2 more in there, or 1 more I should say.
Okay, so we got the engine pulled, and as I was trying to get my flex plate off, it would jam up, and you can see right there, there's no cap. So yeah, it locked up. We had to drop the pan, get the last few bolts. We needed the pan anyways. We got the rear sump pan. Got my flex plate and spacer right there. We're good to go. Drop it back in the car, move on. So I'm back in the car heading home. Just finished up at the junkyard. And I mean, it sucks that the JZ had a thrown rod or a loose rod cap or whatever, what have you. But I mean, we didn't leave him empty-handed. Jesse got the rear sump oil pan for Trevor, Motion Auto TV Trevor, that he needed to get, and I got that flex plate and spacer setup that I'm going to need for my Z-Trans or Z33, Z34 Trans setup. And I'm pretty close on getting that together. This was kind of the piece that was going to take a little bit of time, just because, you know, you could pay like $60 on eBay, or you can go pull it yourself one day at the junkyard. So now that that's all done, I pretty much just need to get the cash together to get that adapter set from Collins Adapter, and I will be pretty set. I'm good to go there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys were a little entertained by this day at the junkyard. And I don't know if you guys like it. I'll do more of these junkyard videos. I love the junkyard, and I don't mind filming or anything like that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.